In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your American Express credit limit. Let's start with the quickest method, signing into your American Express account. You can do this on the website or through the mobile app, whichever you prefer. Once you're securely logged in, head to your main account dashboard. If you have more than one American Express card, make sure you select the specific credit card you want to review so you're seeing the right details. After you've selected the card, look for the credit limit information within the account summary or the account details section. It's often labeled credit limit or total credit line, and it usually appears near your current balance and available credit. Keep in mind that available credit is simply your credit limit minus any posted and pending charges, plus or minus any recent payments or credits. So if the available amount looks different from what you expected, that's normal and typically reflects recent activity on the account. If you prefer to confirm your limit on an official document, you can check your monthly statement. From your online account or the app, navigate to Statements or Statements and Documents, pick the billing cycle you want, and open the statement. Your credit limit is typically listed on the first page alongside key account details. This is a good option if you like keeping a record or need the information for budgeting or verification purposes. You also have the option to call American Express customer service and ask for your credit limit. Use the phone number on the back of your card or within the app's help section. When you call, you'll go through a quick verification process, then simply state which card you're calling about, and a representative can confirm the current credit limit for that account. One important note, if your card is an American Express charge card, it won't have a traditional fixed credit limit. Instead, these cards have no preset spending limit, which adapts over time. In that case, use the check spending power tool in your account, enter a purchase amount to see if it's likely to be approved based on your account history and current profile. This isn't a hard guarantee for every transaction, but it's a helpful guide for planning larger purchases. And that's all there is to it. Log in and check the account summary, review your monthly statement, or call customer service. If it's a charge card, use the check spending power tool, keep your account secure, double check you're viewing the right card, and you'll always know exactly where your credit stands.